Well, it's colder than your first rejection out here today. I got the little fluffy on the mic because the wind's going to blow. And I'm trying to figure out how to make some type of handle for this. So, not a handle, but a latch. So when it flips up, it can stay there. And I got a couple of ideas. What I found at home is I have this old iron and I already took the handle off. I might use the handle for the door. And I found a railroad spike. So I might put the spike through these holes. See how it fits. This has got to be over 100 years old. I think it'll fit through those holes. So let's just take it off and test it. Ugh. She seized up, so this might not happen. Well, that really sucks. Man. Here's the old one too. Ah, damn it. That plan's off. Okay. Plan number 2. Got this old, what was it, a U-bolt? So I'm thinking if I have it attached here and I stick the railroad spike through like that, and that'll hold it. What do you guys think? I think that'd actually work much better. Right there. Okay, let's do that. We'll find out. Okay, I need a pencil. Pencil. These bolts gonna come off? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, certainly will. Put them right there so I forget about them. Right? I don't think I can go about right here in the middle. I'm thinking. Is that the middle? Sure. It's gonna be the middle. A little more. Gotta make it exact, right? Not. Let's see if we can bust that through. I think we can. Well, look at here. Okay, let's test this theory out. Back a bit. Yeah. So now we got to go in the inside and bolt it, hold it. Is that going to be able to come out? Let's go see in the inside how much we got to play with. Ho, 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 that's how you lose a bolt. Ah! Okay. Where's it? Well, not so much. I think if we went higher, it would be all right, or we're just going to drill a few more holes in our wood. Because if we went higher, it'd be more of an angle, right? I don't know, man. This is the best part of not editing and just trying to wing it. Well, here we go. Round 2. Round 3. Or 14. Yeah, let's go higher. Try to screw it up again. I mean, I always wanted some peekaboo holes, right? Now, the thing is, how high? Because this spike, do I have a bigger spike? Nope, I sure don't. Something like that. So we could go about that high. You know what we're going to do to cover this up? Nothing. We might take some sticks from the inside, stick them in this way. So on the inside, I got coat hangers for my coats. Hey? Hey? Okay, I think we're good. Let's try. Oh, for the love of God. Measure 7 times and cut 15. Remember that. Okay. There we go. Now, let's go just barely put these on the back and see what's going to happen. Yeah, this is going to work out. Well, let's test this theory. Fingers crossed. And look how beautiful that looks, that old iron on that wood. I like it. So I can sit here, fireplace is there, I can sit here and aim out here and blast a deer in the pecker if I want. This is awesome. This is beautiful. So, yeah, we can leave that as is for now. What else are we going to do? Where are we going to put this handle? We're going to put this on the inside of the door or on the outside? I wonder. Looks pretty on the outside. Looks just as pretty on the inside. I think we're going to put it on. I don't know. The outside, guys? Is that what you just told me? You want it on the outside? All right. Let's put it on the outside. See what I have here is another railroad spike to hold the door, just like that. So I think maybe I will put it right here-ish. Okay, let's do that. Can you guys even see me? Do I got to zoom in at all? Or I got to move my setup? Or what do I got to do? Can't even see the door. Well, we can't have that. Let's do a little something like this. Okay, good to go. So we got this little down part here we got to drill a hole for. So let's just pretend the door is going to go. Well, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's just go right there. A little bit more. There we go. Okay, what we're going to do now is switch that out. Now we have to. What do we have to do? Oh yeah, that's what we. So what we have to do is we're going to use these spaces to screw through to hold this handle of the door. So we have to take the old handle off. Look at those old time screws. Okay, so we have to take the old handle off, screw through, and then we won't be able to put the old handle back on. Will we? No. Which means I might have to do it as it's okay. Plan Z. Let's just put that handle back on. That sucks. That's okay. It's okay. We're gonna make this work. It's not gonna be as pretty as it was, but we're gonna make it work. That's just rednecking it. That's what happens sometimes. It'll still look good, don't worry. Okay. Let's get that handle on nice and tight. Okay. What was I gonna do now? I gotta figure this out somehow. I don't know if this is gonna work. Might need longer screws. I don't know. And then somehow one there. I wish I had a real fat. I think I got a fat screw inside. Where is it? In the cabin? Yeah. Give me a second, guys. Yeah. Probably should have seen if the handle was straight before I did all that, right? But frankly, don't care. Oh, this may or may not work. This is going to be a sneaky. Yeah, this is going to be tomfoolery, jackassery. I'll have to bang that in with a hammer first. Ow! This might work. I have just a tiny space to work with now. Oh well, keep going. Gotta kill time for this video anyways, right? There we go. There's always a way. Yeah, boy. Check this out. Okay. It's the top of the old iron. On the inside, I just took a chain and some old aluminum latches. So you shut the door. I don't know if you're going to see it in the dark here. And can't do this two-handed. Let me put this guy down. See, I need a handle here too. Just go like this, drop it, and that's when you're inside. It's latched shut to keep the heat in. And it looks rustic. It looks nice, man. It looks like I'm in a fucking dungeon back in the day or something. It's awesome. So what else are we going to do? Tinkering. Let's see. I've got a bunch of traps. I could put these traps up on the inside for you guys. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. Where can we put them? Let's see. See how I can sit in my chair and just look out when it's snowing and stuff. We're going to put some traps. Maybe some up there. Let's see here. That wall's barren. 1, 2, 3. Maybe that's what I'll do. Hey? Yeah, okay, sure. You guys can watch me put up some traps. One, 2, 3. Okay. Hammer. Screw. I don't need a hammer. I'll use screws, whatever. Probably would have been nice if I had a ladder or something, hey? Whatever. Really don't matter. I want to lose my screws. Those are like 10 cents each, probably. Nah, 2 or 3. Okay. Measure in the middle. That looks about right. And boom. Put your finger in there. It's 1. Middle's right here. Just get over. You know, sometimes you need to put the screw through it, like I did on the first one. I'm on my tippy toes because I'm a short little fucker. There we go. Track number 2. These are tiny. These got to be for Fox or something like that. These are old. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Right here, guys. Right here. Over. Right there. Okay. Okay. Got the traps up. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that's all right. That'll do. Now what I said we were going to do is we got to plug those 2 holes. So those 2 holes, I could use them for a lookout to poke my eyes through. What I'm going to do, watch what I do. I'll fix that situation right now. Okay, when you got to find some kindling. I know this will fit. And a glove and a saw. Glove, saw. Let's deal with this situation right now. Well, you can just snap part of it if you want. Okay. Now, I want to show you guys what I've been talking about. Take 2 pegs, just fucking tap it in. And then that happens. Or you could shave some off, so it taps in a little bit better. I know, that's my fault. Whatever, it happens. Okay, let's try that again. I have a knife in here. You're supposed to carry a pocket knife on you at all times, right? Apparently not. Okay, let's make it work. That's what axes are for. Have a sharp axe. Yeah. Think that back part's gonna flip down again on me? I bet you it will. Did we learn any lessons from the first time? I bet you we didn't. Tappy tap. Just gently tappy tap. One coat hook. told you we don't learn any lessons. There. 2 coat hooks. Fixing the problem that we created. All right? Just hang some jackets there. Redneck 101. All right, well, that's it for today. You got to see a bit of a shit show gong show, but we prettied the place up, put a handle on the door. We fixed the flip up problem, so all in all, it's all right. So I will see you guys next time.